Dear babies, welcome to listen to today's story. The story shared by Auntie Kiwi today is Meetware Story. Author Haguen Busey, paintings Jiao Longmai, Peng Yi. It's dawn, the sun rises. When the curtain is opened, there is singing in the house. Auntie Pigeon's beautiful day has begun. Good morning, plates. Good morning, rice bowls. The eggs are being fried. Delicious breakfast is being prepared. The tableware and utensils in the kitchen are also awake. Everyone likes Aunt Pigeon very much. Like the process of cooking. Aunt Pigeon is a good friend of tableware and utensils. But something is wrong today. It's almost noon. Aunt Pigeon hasn't gotten up yet. Everyone started talking in the sideboard. You and I chattered and discussed each other. Rice bowl and plate ran to check on Aunt Pigeon. Aunt Pigeon, what's wrong? Aunt Pigeon is still lying on the bed. Put the cup next to the pillow.
Is Aunt Pigeon sick?
Rice bowl asked Cup softly.
It seems like I have a cold. I have a little fever.
Mug's worried answer.
Aunt Pigeon, it doesn't matter.
Look at everyone looking downcast. The job has spoken.
I said, let's cook for Aunt Pigeon together.
After hearing this, Casserole said proudly,
Okay, let's cook the porridge.
Everyone applauds with hands raised. Everyone started cooking porridge immediately.
Grandpa Casserole, it's your turn. Make delicious porridge.
The rice gurgles and dances. The hot porridge is also being cooked bit by bit. When Aunt Pigeon drank the porridge, the body will get better. Think of this. The Carefree Dishcloth jumped up and down.
Danger, Aunt Pigeon said. Be especially careful when using fire.
Job reminder. The dishcloth refuses to listen to everyone's advice. Just as he wiggled his butt, he said, Hey, it's on fire. The dishcloth caught fire.
Hot, 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 hot.
Beep. The rice bowl quickly poured water on the dishcloth. Look, what Aunt Pigeon said. Sorry. It scared me a lot. The dishcloth smiled a little shyly. Everyone breathed a sigh of relief. After turning off the heat, add a salted plum to the white rice porridge. All right, it's cooked. Put the hot porridge into the rice bowl. Put another spoon on the side. The white rice porridge was quickly sent to Aunt Pigeon's room.
Aunt Pigeon, get up. The porridge is ready.
Hu Zheng whispered in Aunt Pigeon's ear. The dishwashers are hiding behind sliding doors. Look inside quietly.
Oh, okay. Delicious porridge.
Auntie Pigeon was blowing while bringing the porridge to my mouth.
Fix that.
The plate almost screamed. He quickly covered his mouth. It's time to clean up down there. Job Bowl Greetings says. Everyone jumped into the pool filled with hot water. Plop, plop. Wash your body with singing. Pie, 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 pie. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Gudgew, gudgew. Wow. Aunt Pigeon ate the porridge we cooked. Auntie Pigeon, get well soon. The next morning, Aunt Pigeon has recovered from her illness and is getting up.
Ouch! Why is the dishcloth burnt? Who cut the porridge yesterday?
Aunt Pigeon stared at the dishcloth for a while. Then he turned around and sang this song.
Tasty porridge. Thanks. Haircut dead. Thanks. I'm all shield.
Everyone also happily sang along. Of course, it's a very small voice. Okay, the story is over. Big Baby. Baby, after listening to today's story, did you like today's story? If you like it, please continue to follow. We will continue to share more interesting stories next time.